Hello everyone, and welcome to this 15-minute daily yoga flow. Thank you so much for being here. And before we begin, just want to start by settling into the body, taking a few breaths. And when you're ready, releasing the right hand down towards the mat, lifting the left hand up, reaching up, coming into a gentle side stretch. Releasing the left hand down and switching sides. Gently release, and moving onto all fours in a tabletop position. We'll move through some cat-cow vinyasas, inhaling as you move up and the gaze moves up, and exhaling as you round the back. Just nicely warming up the muscles of the back. One last time, coming back to neutral, sending the left foot out towards the left side of the body, gently reaching back with the hips, and just feeling that gentle stretch in the hips, going as far that feels comfortable. And gently holding. Gently release. We'll do the same for the right side, setting the right foot out towards the right side of the body. And gently holding. Slowly bringing the knee back in, tucking the toes under, making your way into downward facing dog, paddling through the legs, just warming up the hamstrings. And gently holding. Don't worry if your heels aren't quite touching the ground, just moving until you feel sensation in the back of the legs. Keeping the knees slightly bent. Lifting the left foot up, swinging it forwards, stepping it out in front of the body, coming into a high lunge, interlocking the fingers, gently pressing the hands against the thigh. Taking some steady breaths. Dropping the right knee down towards the mat, coming into a low lunge, releasing the left hand on the ground, reaching the right hand up and over, coming into another side stretch. This one can be quite intense, so just moving with what feels available. Releasing the right hand down, coming back to a neutral, sending the hips back into half split. Chest is open, keeping the front knee slightly bent. Gently release, coming forwards with the hips, bringing both hands onto the right side of the foot, walking the left foot out slightly towards the edge of the mat. There's an option to stay here or dropping the elbows onto the ground. And again, keeping the knee on the ground or lifting it up, whatever feels the most available. Gently release, lifting the body up, walking the foot back in, and stepping back into downward facing dog. When you're ready, we'll do the same for the other side, lifting the right foot up, bringing it through the body, stepping it out in front, coming into a high lunge, interlocking the fingers, gently pressing the hands on the thigh. Releasing the left knee down towards the mat, releasing the right hand over towards the right side, coming into that side stretch, lifting the left hand up and over the body. And gently release, coming back to neutral, sending the hips back into half split. It's quite normal for one side to be a little bit more open than the other. Just moving with what feels available, not forcing anything. Gently release, coming forwards with the chest, bringing both hands onto the left side of the foot, walking the right foot out towards the right side of the mat, and moving into that lizard lunge, taking any modification that works for you. And gently release, releasing the left knee down towards the mat, walking the foot back in and tucking the right knee in, dropping the chest down towards the mat, sliding into a Cobra pose, keeping the shoulders down, slowly rolling the chest onto the mat, moving into Sphinx pose, elbows underneath the shoulders. Gently breathe. Releasing the chest down towards the mat, placing the hands underneath the shoulders, taking an inhale, and exhale, moving up into half cobra or full cobra. Taking an inhale and exhale, release the body down onto the mat. We'll just take a few breaths. You can rest the forehead onto the arms. sending both hands out to either side of the body, coming onto the left ear, reaching the right foot up, coming into a scorpion twist. Gently release, switching sides. And gently release. From here, threading the left hand underneath the right armpit, reaching the right hand up, bringing it over towards the other side of the body, coming into a gentle single leg twist. Taking a few expansive breaths. Gently release, coming back to lay on the front, threading the right hand underneath the left armpit, reaching the left hand up and over, coming into a twist on the other side. Taking a few expansive breaths. From here, making your way into the final Savasana, allowing the eyes to close. And we'll just spend the next few moments finding some stillness. And thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so grateful you're here, and I really hope to see you again soon.